Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, hey yo, oh yeah, yeah, hey yo. Oh yeah, yeah, hey yo, oh yeah, yeah, hey yo. Oh Nisa, oh Yemene, oh Nisa, oh Yemene, oh Naya, hey yo, oh yeah, yeah, hey yo. Oh, oh.
Oh, I see it's changed a little bit over the years. We just discovered we sing it a little different.
What am I saying?
Huh?
Just so you folks know, these songs were recorded in 1902. Viviana Soto and Hasina Gonzalez were recorded down in Monterey area, and we've been
Alfred Kroeber of this area.
So we've been fortunate enough to keep these songs alive. Sing a different one?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to keep that one.
That one.
Yeah.